Hello everyone and welcome to my story club show. Dear friends, today I am going to narrate you a story and the title of the story is The Cunning Snake. My dear friends, do you know what is meant by cunning? Cunning means deceitful, means fraud who deceives other. There was a cunning snake and this snake was brown colored. It was a very big snake and this snake lived near a pond. But now this snake had become an old, and that's why it was not able to catch his prey. The snake had become very old, that's why he had become very weak, and he was not able to catch his prey. He was not able to catch his victims, and so one day he decided to make a plan and he went near the pond and he lied there as if he was ill. And then, after some time, in that pond there was a big frog, and there were many small and big frogs. They were living in the pond and they were living happily in that pond. There was a big frog, and that was King Frog of that pond. And under the rule of that king frog, all the frogs were happy. All the frogs were enjoying their life in that pond. But when this big snake was lying by the pond and that king frog came there, he saw the big snake lying there as if it is ill. And then that frog went near the snake and he asked the snake, "What is your problem? Why are you lying here?" And then the snake said to the frog, the snake lied. The snake lied to the frog that one day by mistake he beat the son of a pandit, and that's why the pandit cursed him. And Pandit said that now you will have to serve the frogs and you will have to eat whatever they will offer you. The snake said to the frog that by mistake he had beaten to the son of Pandit, because the son of Pandit was trying to kill that snake with a stick, and that's why he had beaten him. And when the snake bitten to the son of Pandit, the son of Pandit died instantly. The son of Pandit died quickly. And when the son of Pandit died quickly, Pandit came there and he cursed to the snake. He said that now you will have to serve frogs all your life, and you will not be able to catch your prey, you will not be able to get your meal, and you will have to eat whatever frogs will offer you. You will have to eat whatever frogs will give you. And the snake was lying in a pitiable condition, and now the king frog thought that now this snake is in a very pitiable condition, in a very sorrowful condition. That's why he should help him. And then the snake jumped into the pond, and all small and big snakes sat on the back of the snake, and snake was moving round and round in the pond, and they were enjoying ride on the back of the snake. And then next day also snake came there, and the king frog sat on the back of the snake, and his minister frogs also sat on the back of the snake. And then small frogs and big frogs, all of them sat on the back of the snake, and snake was moving round and round, and they were riding on the back of the snake. They were enjoying their ride. But after some time the speed of the snake lowered, and when the movement of the snake were lowered, the speed of the snake was lowered. The king frog asked that snake, "What is problem? Now your speed has reduced. Now your speed has decreased. What is problem? And then that snake said to him, now he is tired because since last some days he has not eaten anything, and he has become old also, and he has become weak. He wants food to eat. He is very hungry. Then when the frog, king frog, listened it, heard it, he thought that if he will not give food to the snake, then snake will not be able to move, and the king frog will not be able to enjoy the ride on the back of the snake. That's why now the king frog allowed the snake to eat some of the frogs. And now the snake was eating frogs easily. He was getting food easily because the frogs were sitting on his back, and that snake was eating one by one frogs. And after some days, the snake had eaten all the frogs from that pond. All the frogs who were living in that pond, all of them were eaten by the snake. And now the snake was hungry. And now just there was only one frog remained in the pond, and that was king frog. Now snake said to the king frog that he is very hungry, and now he cannot live without food. He said to the king frog that he was very hungry and now he cannot live without food. Now there is no frog in the pond except the king frog. And he said, I am sorry, but I will have to eat you to fulfill my hunger. And with the speed of lightning, he attacked the king frog. He killed the king frog and he ate him. My dear friends, the story ends here. Now, what is the moral of the story? All of us know that frogs and snakes are enemies. Snake is the enemy of frogs because snake eats frogs. And here the king frog helped the snake, and the snake did not want the help of king frog and other frogs, but he had become old, and that's why he was not able to catch his prey. So he deceived all the frogs, saying that Pandit had cursed him. Pandit had not cursed him. He had not beaten to the son of Pandit. He lied to them. He deceived them. He said that he had beaten the son of Pandit, and Pandit had cursed him, and Pandit had punished him and said him to serve the frogs and to eat what they will give. And that's why the king frog believed the snake. He trusted the snake, and finally that snake had eaten all the frogs and the king frog also. Then what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that we should never trust our enemy. Enemy is enemy. We should never trust our enemy blindly. This is the moral of the story. Dear friends, we have to remember, we should never trust, we should never believe our enemy, because enemy is enemy. So we should not trust him, we should not believe him. This is the moral of the story. My dear friends, I want to teach you to speak English fluently, to speak English powerfully, to speak English confidently, to think in English, and to speak in English. That is the purpose of our Story Club show. If you like this video, please like it, comment on it, share it, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. So thanks for subscribing my channel, and thanks a lot.